first anniversary of the Subic Bay Molecular Laboratory. So congratulations to the Subic Bay Molecular Laboratory. And in celebration of the first anniversary of the Philippine Red Cross Subic Molecular Laboratory, we are pleased to invite you to a virtual press conference with PRC Chairman and CEO, Senator Richard J. Gordon. This is going to be today at 1 p.m. live via Zoom. Okay? So you better be in front of your computers come 1 p.m. June 23rd today and open up your Zoom app. Kindly log in using your name and your agency, organization where you belong, and you may enter the meeting at around 12:45 p.m. A couple of, about an hour or so to go. All right? So we hope to see you there. Okay? For the link, you may visit the official Facebook page of Philippine Red Cross Olongapo City. All right? The meeting code and the passcode, meeting ID and passcode rather, is posted there. All right? So check it out once again. The first anniversary of the Philippine Red Cross Subic Molecular Laboratory. There will be a virtual press conference with PRC Chairman and CEO Senator Richard J. Gordon. Couple of minutes to go for this. You may start entering the Zoom meeting at 12:45 p.m. It's 11:28 right now, so you got ample time to prepare. Get ready for this. All right? So that's our announcement as of now. And here's the latest from the Presidential Communications Office of Malacanang, from the PCOO. The quarantine health protocols must stay to prevent new surge, according to President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, of course. Okay? Filipinos have to continue abiding quarantine protocols and wearing of face masks and face shields to prevent a second wave of infections with the Delta variant, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte said. In a meeting on government's COVID-19 interventions, President Duterte said all safety measures must stay in place to prevent the community transmission of the Delta variant, which has the potential to cause a second wave of infections in the country, being 4 times more contagious than the original virus. All right? So the president said, I cannot afford to place the nation, the national interest of the Republic, by just, sometimes adopting this and being lenient to this. He added, I know that it is a very tedious, if you may, but it is really to prevent a disaster for our nation. Okay? Noting how other Filipinos have expressed hope to go mask-free, the president said the country may not be ready to do away with both face masks and face shields, saying that it's a small inconvenience and a very small price to pay rather than risk a second wave of infections over the Delta variant. All right? So there you have it, the latest from the PCOO nga naman. Okay. I like how I segued there. You notice? PCOO nga naman. Oo nga naman, di ba? It's just a small inconvenience, small price to pay for if you're gonna be safe against the COVID-19, especially now that we have this Delta variant. Nako, it's more contagious and mas madaling more deadly and more contagious, sabi, di ba? So, iwas na lang. Better be safe than sorry. Di ba? Ano ba naman yung naka-face mask ka at naka-face shield kesa naman magka-COVID-19 ka? Your life will be at risk. Di ba? Maapektuhan ng kabuhayan, maapektuhan ng pati pamilya mo, madadamay. Di ba? Magsuot ka na lang. And if you guys notice, di ba? Dumami yung pogi. Na nung nauso yung face mask and face shield. Mas nakakapogi, pare, di ba? Di ba? Yung na lang ang labanan na lang pag naka-face mask daw tayo ngayon, patarayan ng kilay. Okay, so there you have it once again, the latest from the PCOO, the Presidential Communications Office of Malacanang. All right. Magsuot na lang tayo para iwas sa Delta variant ng COVID-19. I wanna greet happy birthday kay Mami Elenita Labandillo Ayan, birthday niya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mami Elenita, as we call her. Ayan. And yung cousin ko, si Kuya Darwin Santos from Tanay Rizal. Hey, happy birthday. I hope you had a great time celebrating your birthday with your family, of course. Ayan. And thank you for always tuning in. Even though they're in Tanay Rizal, laging nakatune in sa atin ang Santos family. Ayan. Lalo na si Kuya Darwin and si Ate Dayan. Ayan. DND. The double D. And dahil birthday nyo, syempre, magpa-pizza naman. Speaking of pizza, Greenwich SM Olongapo is inviting you to check out their latest promo. Promo alert for everybody. Visit their official Facebook page para makita nyo yung bagong promo special offers from Greenwich SM Olongapo. Promo alert, Greenwich on Food Panda Epic Deals promo. Get as much as 77 pesos off on your Greenwich orders in Food Panda. Okay? So check it out. 77 pesos off. Plus, also, the Sabres Special. Yummy, affordable, sulit. Greenwich Sabres Special. Okay? If you want yummy, tapos affordable, and sulit pa, meron po kami niyan. Yes! Say yes! Y-A-S. The Greenwich Sabres. Okay? So, visit their official Facebook page para makita nyo yung Sabres offer. Like meaty spaghetti, 50 pesos lang. A la carte, 69 pesos lang. The cheeseburger classic 6 inches solo. And the lasagna supreme, 89 pesos lang. A la carte. Wow, talagang Greenwich Sabres, the Sabres talaga. Call them up, 0961-0101771 or text, pwede rin, of course. And pwede rin umorder via the Messenger app. Ginny is on standby to take your orders, or call # first or #sign 55555. Okay? And it would be so much better if you will visit their official Facebook page para makita nyo yung mga special offers, special promos. Greenwich SM Olongapo on Facebook. Okay, time for me now to take the real quick bottom of the hour break, and we will be back with more of your requested songs, the songs you asked for, songs you want to hear right now. So all coming up. Text me up if you guys want to request for a song. 0910-6909-501 or call us up 252-8905. We will be right back.
Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.